Today's video topic is 7 ways to care for the skin around your eyes. Taking extra care of the skin around your eyes is essential for a healthy and youthful appearance. Unfortunately, this delicate area is often overlooked when it comes to skin care, but neglecting it can lead to premature wrinkles and fine lines. Fortunately, there are a few simple steps that you can take to make sure that your eye area stays healthy and glowing. Here are 7 ways to care for the skin around your eyes. 1. Wear sun protection. The sun's UV rays can cause premature aging to the delicate skin around your eyes, so make sure to use a sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher to protect the skin around your eyes. A broad-spectrum sunscreen is best, as it will protect your eyes from both UVA and UVB rays. Additionally, wearing a wide-brimmed hat or sunglasses can provide extra protection. 2. Use moisturizing products. Keeping the skin around your eyes hydrated is key to ensuring it stays healthy and youthful. Use a moisturizing eye cream or gel that is specifically formulated for this area. 3. Be gentle when removing makeup. The skin around your eyes is very thin and can be easily damaged. So avoid scrubbing your skin around your eyes when taking off makeup. Gently use a cotton-soaked pad in warm water or makeup remover. 4. Massage. Massaging the skin around your eyes can help improve circulation and reduce puffiness. Use gentle, circular motions and resist the urge to apply too much pressure. 5. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for healthy-looking skin. Not getting enough sleep can be a major cause of dark circles and puffiness. So aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night for optimal skin care. 6. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a balanced diet that includes plenty of antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables, healthy fats, and proteins will help nourish the skin around your eyes. Also, make sure you drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. 7. Exercise regularly. Exercise increases circulation, bringing oxygen and nutrients to the skin. This helps to plump up the skin and reduce puffiness. In addition to these tips, you can try products rich in retinol and vitamin C. Retinol can help reduce wrinkles and sun damage, while vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps brighten and even out skin tone. If you have tried everything and you still don't get the results you want, you can try laser resurfacing or Botox, which are more aggressive treatments that are used to reduce wrinkles and lines around the eyes. By following these 7 tips, you can keep the skin around your eyes looking healthy and youthful. With regular care and attention, you can delay signs of aging and keep your eyes looking beautiful for years to come.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.